Today we're making Blueberry Muffin Biscotti. Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. In the bowl of the stand mixer fitted with the paddle attachment, add your softened butter, cane sugar, and vanilla extract. Mix on low until combined and there's no butter chunks. Add in 2 large eggs and mix to combine. Then add in the dry ingredients, all-purpose flour, baking powder, salt, and cinnamon. Mix on low until a stiff cookie dough forms. Last, we're adding in our dried blueberries, and we're going to mix to combine these completely. On a baking sheet that's lined with parchment paper, form the cookie dough into a log that's almost the length of the pan. Then sprinkle cane sugar on top. This is going to give it the perfect texture. Bake the log at 350 degrees for 35 minutes until the middle looks set. Then you're going to let it rest for 15 to 20 minutes before slicing into 1-inch thick pieces. Make sure to separate the pieces on the tray before the second bake. Then return to the oven again for another 20 minutes or until golden brown and crispy. Enjoy this blueberry biscotti dunked in milk. If you guys like this video, let me know in the comments. And if you want more bakery style desserts just like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.